So here's a video if you're interested. I keep it in the garage. Take it out occasionally to make sure that the battery stays good, engine stays good. It's a great truck for around town. I don't take it on any highway. I just keep it around here. I usually let it, since it's a carbureted engine, I usually let it warm up just a little bit. Not warm up, let the fuel thing do its fuel thing. Cold start. That should be about long enough. Oh, the hood's popped. Hang on a second. I don't want that flying up on me. Make sure there's nothing behind me. Sometimes I store stuff. I don't want that flying off. There's RPMs down. All right. Drive for shits and giggles. E-brake. Doors open. Got it. Okay. Cute little truck. Cute little truck. And I'll just get it up to, I don't know, just up to speed. And then I'm going to park it. I'm just taking it around the block. I don't... Left turn signal isn't blinking, and I don't know why. All the lights work on it. Probably a relay. I'm not too concerned about it. I can hand signal, or I can just keep clicking it left, clicking it left, clicking it left. It's not a big deal. Not worth me trying to figure out. Right one works just fine. I wonder if I picked the wrong bulb. Maybe. See, just click. So, click, 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 click. All right. That's my baby. This is a Dodge Raider. It's in great shape.